Hi, I'm here. Harish Mane Home Tour is back. Today we are going to see a cozy and a compact house built on a 900 square feet. That corner house over there, that's the house we are going to see today. Let's go. This 1 BHK villa is not only beautiful. This elevation is designed in such a way that it makes the house well lit with natural light and air. Keeping every requirement of the clients in mind, we have made provision for every kind of safety and security. As you see, we have designed the door by giving it a matte finish, including the door handle is made out of wood, which is making it look very classy.
Oh, hi Akshita, come.
Hi,
How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm good, thank you.
This is Mayuri, the proud owner of this house. Mayuri, since your house is very beautiful, we thought we'll take a tour of your house.
Yeah, you came on the right time. I was making tea. Come, we'll have tea first, then we can go ahead.
Sure. Seems like you all started cooking.
Yeah, I love to cook in this kitchen actually. I really like the kitchen, the color combination, the L-set kitchen, and the storage part. I really liked it.
Okay, so you made the choices of all these things?
Yes, we only made, but when we were doing construction, we were not there. We were in Pune during lockdown. So they used to send us all options and all. So we used to approve that option. And since my family is black lovers, so we approved all the color combination according to that. So when we came back, it was a good surprise for us. Everything is in black. Come Akshita, this is our utility area. This is well lit. Even I can see my parking from here and I can monitor my husband when Kaivalya comes in.
That's nice. You guys are from Pune. How did you think of relocating to Bangalore?
Yeah, first Kaivalya came here in Bangalore for his job. He was there for 3 years. Then he liked the city, then we decided to relocate in Bangalore. It's a nice city to live.
Since the house is completed now, what do you feel about the house?
I really like the house. I loved it actually. Starting from the elevation part from outside, it came up really nice. All the lightings and all. Once you come to this passage, entrance staircase, the white staircase, the flooring of the staircase, I really liked it. Then you will come to living area, big living area. It was a dream for me for the big living area. We actually compromised our room for that. We have not given it
On the ground
floor.
We provided you floor plan and multiple design options. Were you happy with that?
HM provided two to three plans for us. Like one bedroom was there on ground floor. Then we asked that no, we want a big living area and a kitchen. So then they gave us a revised plan where the bedroom is shifted upstairs. So yeah, it was very helpful for us. All the HM team, they used to help us wherever we wanted alteration. So we used to ask while giving the floor plan, and they used to provide us all those things.
So which are your favorite spots in the house?
The staircase, I really like the staircase. The staircase corner, it is nicely elevated where the glass blocks are there, and I can keep all my plants over there, all decorative stuff I can keep there, and it is really enhancing the look of this house. The balcony of my bedroom, it is also nicely designed where I have kept one swing and all pots I can keep there. Then open terrace is there next to the bedroom, that is also nice. Then again terrace, they have given nice washing machine area where I can keep my washing machine. So in all, I like the full house. It is a very nice house. It is constructed by HM for us. I really like it.
And your bedroom has a walk-in closet in it, and we must talk about it.
Yeah, that walk-in closet is also one of the favorite part for me because where I can keep all my clothes. It's very nicely designed, and mirror is there for my makeup. I am a makeup lover, so it is all nicely designed. I really liked it.
Hi. Good you came, we were waiting for you. So you liked Bangalore so much that you relocated from Pune.
Yeah.
So how did you find HM Infratech?
So while searching only, we'll get to know about the HM.
So you looked for online platforms. But you were looking for an apartment, and how did you decide on an independent house?
Yeah, actually, we roamed all the area near Manyata Tech Park. Actually, I worked in a Manyata Tech Park, so we were looking for nearby areas. So we roamed all the apartment sites, but the plan was not as per our choice. We have to compromise in certain plan, like flooring plans and all. And then we decided no, we should go for other options. So only option we had that independent house where we can construct a house according to our choice. Then he only found HM through online platforms. Then we visited HM office and we got through it.
This particular plot also was provided by us to you. So after that, was your process easy?
Yeah, it was easy.
And what about the documentation, paperwork?
For that, we had also hired our lawyer to verify all the documents. So it was clear. Yeah, so earlier we were looking for 1200 square feet plot, but it was going out of our budget.
Okay.
So HM only suggested for the 900 square feet plot.
Okay.
So we saw the plot and we liked it.
Initially, we were not having idea that in 900 square feet we'll be having this big house. But when they gave us the promise that no, house will look bigger and it will be nice, so we will not regret that you are not doing in 1200 square feet. And then we decided, okay, fine, we will go with the 900 square feet plot. And they showed us the sample where they have built a 900 square foot house before. Then we were like, okay, fine, we will decide to buy this plot and go ahead with it.
We are so glad that you guys are happy, and thank you so much for letting us tour your house. All the very best.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Today at HM Infratech, we help our clients starting from procuring the site and all the documentation, paperwork, and we even help them getting the bank loan by making it easy for them to own an asset and build a dream home. For more wonderful projects, stay tuned to HM Infratech.